Good morning, everyone. My day, well, my morning has gotten off to an unusual start. It involves a little bit of DIY. My mum always struggled doing the curtains. She never ever asked for help, which was quite annoying. She should have done. I tried to help her, but me being 4'9", couldn't reach up there. I can't even properly reach on a step ladder, which I'll show you guys in a minute or so. So basically, vlogging whilst on the ladder is a bad idea. Basically, she's done a bit of this, and there was one of these there, which is now here, and it collapsed. Came out the wall. So this curtain was hanging down. I hooked it. Well, my mum did have it in there, and I've just hooked it back on there, and it's hanging there just now. So, hopefully, that holds it until I can hammer another thing into there, and then loop it back. This is going to be a long job, and I'm not looking forward to it. It is now the afternoon. I had to charge my camera earlier. I'll retry this. I've been at this most of today. I give up. This thing keeps falling down. This thing won't go onto the twisty thing that I put back in the ceiling. No idea how Mum did it. So my neighbour came round with the milk, which was really good, and he managed to fix the curtains, which is really good. Thank God. Oh my goodness, I have no idea how my mum did it. It was like with a curtain, it wasn't a curtain rod, it was a bossy line cable. Main thing is fixed. But if it doesn't work, I might have to ask my brother to fix it. So if you're watching, Philip, sorry. Go for walkies. Yeah. Let's go then. Let's go. Come on. So I'm out with the dogs. By the way, it is absolutely peeing it down now. But that's Scotland for you. I'm currently on my way up to the graveyard. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back up here tomorrow with Ferris. So I've got these two with me. They hardly ever go out together, so we're both very excited. Ruby's not really like, Daisy, stop the steps. It's just like, come on, get moving. Where Daisy's want to sniff and put the leaves, which can't. Me and the dogs have just found some new, what do you call them, sculptures? I don't know. So, hope you guys enjoyed that in the vlog. They haven't been out for a while, and I noticed there's a new one as well. They've got a stag now. So, that's pretty cool. I'm going to have to take a picture of that one for Maxine. I think she would appreciate that. My sister-in-law loves stags. She's got like lots of stag stuff in her house, so I think she likes stags. There must be something on at the big house tonight. Loads of cars. I don't know what's going on. today's vlog. It's such a really nice night tonight. Apart from it keeps like raining every like few minutes, but that's April showers for you. Even though it's now May, but yeah. I think the weather's going to be a little bit behind this year, considering we had snow in April. I think our summer will probably come in like August or something. But isn't that about normal? But yeah, so Daisy's wound's a little bit opened because every time poor little Daisy stops, Ruby is tugging and tugging and tugging her that much that her wound's opened a little bit. It's looking a bit red, so hopefully it's not going to bleed or anything, but this is the longest she's actually been out, so because her wounds have actually closed up now, so no, leave them on. So now that we've closed a bit, she can get for walks, which is good. So I'm enjoying being out though. I haven't been out in a few days because of the weather, so the first nice day we got today, I'm like, I'm going out today, we're going out. So yeah, it's nice to be out. A couple of stressy days the last couple of days. This is really what I needed, to go out in the country, and well, I live in the country, but to just go out and just, I don't know, just relax and listen to the birds singing and de-stress. I mean, listen to that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. But yeah, it's great to be out, see the scenery, hear the birds. It's so good. The dogs are waiting to go to the water. I think we should maybe go a little bit. Why not? Logan always takes them here when we come. But I'm not going all the way down. But I'll sit here. I think I'll sit here for a minute or so. The water looks lovely today. Nice and calm. It's always calm, but yeah. I know, I just love living in the country and just like being able to go to places like this and get cuddles from doggies. Right, he's doing it out. But yeah, I mean, things like that, it's good. Back home now. It's starting to rain again. Scotland choice about. It's still here. That's one big tree. Let's go, come on. Come on, Jason. Come on. We're back home now, and just as we were basically like 2 minutes away from the house, it started lashing rain. Like the other showers before were just like little spittles that weren't too bad, but when we got just about 2 minutes away from home, it started peeing it down like really heavily. So I'm glad it decided to do that when we were coming home. So we got a little bit soaked, maybe it was a little bit wet, but from that, we did a good work, didn't we? Yeah. Nah. 2 happy dogs, and I'm happy, and now I've just got to edit today's vlog. Well, yesterday's vlog for you guys. Whew. Hard work, innit, Boo? So this Thursday is my 2-year anniversary of me being on YouTube. That's just mind-blowing. In the last 2 years, so many things has happened. First of all, when I made my channel, I was basically like documenting my life as a carer and looking after my dying mum. And then from there, it was just like all my little adventures that I get up to with my nephew or my friends. And along the way, you guys have seen me with, like, at the very beginning with no confidence at all to now. And I have a little bit more confidence than I did 2 years ago. And it's just crazy the memories that I've made through making I'm just talking to a camera and the things that's like I've done, and yeah, it's just like amazing. And for years down the line, I can look back on these videos and look at those moments. God, I remember when that happened, or show Sarah in a clip, or Maria, or whoever, and go, oh, do you remember when that happened, or whatever. And it'll just be so funny to look back on. And I'm really, really glad that I made a YouTube channel, and I'm really glad that I took up the courage to do it, and I just decided to go for it because it's the best thing it's ever happened to me. Shout out to Stephanie Lloyd.